Chevrolet four-wheel drive. 305 cubic inch V8.
It's gonna mess with the shot. Yeah. I'm recording. Where's the stroller?
I don't believe this pickup came with a 305. I think 305 came out a lot later in some pickups and a lot of mid-sized cars.
Yeah.
You probably won't go.
All right, looks like he's going to get going here. Come on, Chevrolet fans, help him out.
Damn. Go Daddy, Kenzie. Do you hear people down there screaming for Denny?
No way, we got a It's a small truck there, 250.
Got an announcement for the diesel class.
This is
Christy Grove, Stephen Corbin in the diesel class need to cross the scales right away. Christy Grove and Stephen Corbin, if you want to pull in the next class, 8,000 diesels, you need to cross the scales right away. Denny's distance is 213.77. It still leaves 3 notches on top.